Bahabonga. Bahabonga is a festival of indigenous people of the Santali community all over the world. It is mainly worshipped by Santali people living in these countries, India, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh. The maximum percentage of Santali people living in India. Since the Santali people are Sarna religion, their place of worship is Jahergarh. The goddess of Santali people named Marang Buru Jaher Ayo are worshipped in Jahergarh. There is a tradition and belief that no Santali people can use new flowers and leaves, and also they cannot hunt in the forest until the worship is over. So this Bahabonga is celebrated with pomp and circumstance for 3 days. On the first day, the Jahergarh is decorated. The second day is Bahabonga, that is worship day, and third day is Arara, and also hunting is done on the third day. So the Bahabonga festival is one of the great festival of Santali people who are mostly living in the states of India, Odisha, Jharkhand, Bihar, West Bengal, and also Assam.